So another problem that I have is translating from or into English using my native language. Sometimes I can't find the equivalent phrases. It's not like I can't translate English into Arabic or vice versa. It's just I can't find the equivalent phrases. Like, I know what the English phrase mean. I know how to use it. I use it myself. I know, but I don't know the equivalent in Arabic. That's why sometimes it's more comfortable to me to use some phrases in English, but I really don't know how to translate it into Arabic. Part of that is when some subjects like languages, like linguistics, Japanese, Korean, the languages that I am studying right now, I use English to learn these languages. So when I try to explain some grammar terms or things like that, when I try to explain the things that I learned in English into to Arabic speakers in Arabic, when I explain things in Arabic, it's really hard to find the equivalent words. Like things like word like particle. I don't know what is how to translate the word particle. Radical. You know, a radical is a type of letters. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. I know what it is. I know what it means, but I just don't know how to explain it. You know, like trying to explain the word yes. If I ask you what does the word yes mean in English, you will say like you approve or you accept, you know. So when I try to explain what a radical is, it's partly because I really need to study more, you know, but it's also something that I still have a problem to translate into Arabic. I can't not just tell you the meaning of this word in English. No, I can't even tell you the equivalent in Arabic. So that needs to be studied. Like, I have to study these things, to look for it, to educate myself about these things. The way I am solving this problem is to listen to like Japanese lessons in Arabic, like listening to teachers teaching people teaching Japanese in Arabic, to know these specific words and what is the equivalent to it, grammar terms and stuff like that. Also part of the problem. Like what else? So yeah, the reason why I studied Korean and Japanese in English is because resources were more accessible and it was more organized, I guess. But and remember, this is from years ago. I collected resources throughout the years, so there is relatively good resources now in Arabic, but I just got used to the English resources, so it's really hard to change that. But I seriously need to listen to more lessons in Arabic to you know, as I said, to see to know the equivalent words that I don't know in Arabic, to grammar terms and things like that, you know. So I don't know. The only point that I remember that, like I said about private school and public school, the only reason why I understand math and science, some of it, not all of it, some of it in English, is because I watched documentaries and stuff like that, you know. So I want to do this again because I forgot so many things. I want to study, not study. I want to read or listen, watch documentaries and podcasts about many subjects to be able to translate. I don't even know some terms in Arabic, you know, like there is general translation. There is so many types of translation, you know. So there is the general translation, which it's really easy to do, and there is specialized translations like science or medicine or I don't know what to call it, or law. These types of translations need a special study to be able to translate terms and stuff like that. So things that are related to linguistics, learning languages, is my priority right now, because I want to be able to explain in Arabic. I want to be able to explain other languages in Arabic the same way I can explain other languages in English. So, moving on. I think I'm doing better than my last video. It was a mess. Seriously, it was a mess. So, thankfully, I re-recorded this. Anyway, I think I'm done here in English, about English. So, Japanese and Korean. I am not going to explain why I am interested in both languages, because really all languages are interesting to me. I find entertainment, I find enjoyment, I find all languages interesting, like so interesting. I want to be, oh yeah, I forgot to say this. One of my goals, no, not one of my goal is to be able to speak the languages that I want to speak fluently. Like I want to be able to understand everything in that language and articulate myself as good as I can. Articulating myself is really hard, regardless of the language. Like in Arabic, I really have a problem to articulate myself well. This is something related to me being an introvert and stuff like that, but I'm shy a bit, whatever. So it's hard because I struggle with this even with my native language. So, but at least I want to be able to understand everything I consume. Like I think I reached this level with English, that I understand everything, but not really. Like not really, not like specialized, not specialized, like certain subjects like medicine and stuff like that is hard for me to understand. Obviously, like I can't understand these things in Arabic too, but you know what I mean. Sometimes it's harder than others. Sometimes it's easy to understand. Sometimes I struggle to understand old English text, text, sometimes it's hard to understand some phrases, some words. I know that that's normal, but it's just harder for me because English is not my first language. It's not even a language that I use daily. Like, I use it other ways. Like, I speak in my head, I write, I type, I listen, I watch, everything, but I don't speak it. I don't actually speak it. So, where was I? So, Japanese. What was I talking about? So, my goal is fluency with every language I learn. So, I am interested in so many languages, for many reasons, but it's mostly because I really enjoy learning languages, and I want to be able to understand everything I hear. Like, I want to be able to, if I am walking in a place that is full of tourists, I want to be able to understand everyone in the row, like every nationality, every language. This is like a dream for me. So there is many reasons why I want to learn Japanese and Korean. I can't sum it up. I can't really give you like certain points, but I am interested in these languages as a priority. I studied Japanese throughout the years, like on and off, like many times. I think I restarted learning the Japanese like 3-4 times or something. It's but the most recent time that I studied Japanese, like I think it was 4 years ago when I restarted Japanese. I spent like a year and a half, 2 years. I really can't remember, but I spent so much time learning Japanese, and I just stopped. Same thing with Korean, but Korean I didn't really learn it many times. Like I think I just started it same time when I don't know if it's the same time or not, but I started learning Korean like maybe 3 years ago or something. But I spent like a few months and stopped. The reason why I stopped both, it was at the same time and for the same reasons. It's personal reasons, really. So I stopped learning both languages at the same time for the same reasons. So anyway, I am starting over like now. So I don't really have much to say more about this. So hopefully in the future I will redo these introduction videos or something. So other languages